Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas, Day 10. Sinbono is a New York-based brand that specializes in creating high-quality vegan bags. They were featured in Vogue. Did you know that the inside of their bags are made from 100% recycled plastic bottles, and the outside material of their bags are made from reclaimed fruit peels, also called the apple leather? And now I'm happy to share with you what's inside my Sinbono Drawstring bag. So I have here, this is a pen, key pen. Then I have here, Human Nature Ceramide Skin Renewing Salve. This is in strawberry, luscious strawberry. This is for my dry skin. Smells delicious. Then I have here my new key case from Dress Up Your Purse. This is so pretty, so beautiful. This is in holographic design in the Rainbow series. How I wish I was able to get more pink, of course. Pink is my favorite. And I have my keys inside. I have here, this is supposed to be a card case, but this is in like a briefcase design. But I use this as my medicine case. And I have there my band-aids. I brought my mini journal, Victoria's Journals. This is a very pretty notebook from them. So pretty notebook. And I also have here my Melody. This is a compact comb and mirror. There. So pretty and girly. My Melody, so beautiful. I love this. Then I have here my new Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This is the mist in 75 ml bottle. I really hope they have a smaller, much smaller bottle in this design. And I wish to buy the perfume in the future. This smells heavenly and perfect for Christmas season. I also have my Tic Tac in pink, strawberry and mint. And then I have here my phone case with hearts. I have a pink lip balm. And I have a hand cream in sachet. And then also this is from Kathy Doll, sunscreen. And the last thing inside my bag is this one. This is my card case. Very glittery and also very festive. Looks very festive to me. This is a collaboration between Cakeworthy and Barbie. And this looks like a credit card design. Looks really pretty. I love this. Only houses 3 cards. So I just use the most used cards in this card holder. Here are the things that I have inside my bag. Inside my Sinbono Drawstring bag. I was amazed that it can fit a lot of my things inside. If you are interested in getting Sinbono bags, you may use my code BAGLOVE to avail of a discount on any of their bags. This is a perfect Christmas gift for your loved ones. This has been my Day 10 from my 12 Days of Christmas. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please join me again tomorrow for my Day 11.